student. Today again we are solving some more questions by which I think you will well understand how to present this all adjustment in income and expenditure account. First we are going to see the question. Question is this. Just see. Receipts and payment account for the year ended March 31, 2007. Some detail is there. Subscription for 3 years. One for 15-16, 15-16, 2,500, 16-17, 26,750, 17-18, 1,000. Okay, then additional information. Total number of members 230 and amount of member subscription annual amount fee is there 125. Then subscription outstanding on April 1, 16 rupees 2,750. Now we are going to show this all information in income and expenditure account. For that, I think you will understand the question. Then we are going for answer. Just see. On this way we are going to make the detail statement. It's not a income and expenditure account, it's only detail how to present this subscription. First we are just write subscription received. Total amount is subscription is 30,250. That is given in the question. Okay, then add outstanding on 31/2017. It means closing 2250. Now we are going to clear this. How to this amount 2250 will come. For this, see the notes. First, outstanding as on 1/1/2016 2,750 is given in the question, and we are received in 15-16 2,500. The remaining outstanding is 250. Then due from 2016-17, because we have the member 125 rupees received from the 230 members. Then we needed the receive amount is 28,750, but we are received only 26,750. Then due amount is 2,000. Old due 250. This year due 2,000. Total 2,250. That amount we are showing in this statement 2,250. Then less outstanding on 1st 2016 2,750. Then remaining amount is 29,750. Then less advance we are receiving 31/2017, amount is 1,000. Then the total amount is 28,750. This amount transfer in income and expenditure account. This is the way by which we are showing the subscription in income and expenditure account. These all detail we are calculating. Okay, now we are going for the next question, and next question is, I will give the full detail when income and receipts and payment account given, by which we are going to make the income and expenditure account. For that, all for the following extend the receipts and payment account and the additional information. Complete the amount of income from subscription and show the amount in income and expenditure account. ending of 31st March 2015. Here receipts and payment account is given. In receipt side 3 subscription is given: 13-14 7,000, 14-15 30,000, and 15-16 5,000. Come on the payment side, nothing is given. Then come on the additional information. In additional information, subscription outstanding March 31 2014 amount is 8,500. Then total subscription outstanding, it's a total subscription outstanding March 31 2015 is 18,500, and subscription received in advance as on 31st March 2014, that amount is 4,000. Okay, now I think question is clear. Then we are going for the answer, how to present this question. Just see, it's an income and expenditure account. In this income and expenditure account, we are showing first by subscription 30,000, because 30,000 given, current year subscription 30,000 in the receipts and payment account. Then add outstanding subscription 14-15 17,000. Okay, now I would like to clear how to calculate this amount 17,000. Just see, total subscription 18,500 is given in the question. Okay, less 1,500 is equal to 17,000. How it come? That 1,500 come after deducting 8,500 less 7,000, because last year outstanding is 8,500 less we are receiving this year 7,000. So last year outstanding remain 1,500. That last year outstanding we are less from the total of current year outstanding 18,500. That remaining amount is 17,000. That 17,000 we are present here. Then add advance subscription 114 4,000. Then total of this amount 51,000. 10 is cut here, but this amount is total 51,000, because 30,000 add 17,000 add 4,000, total amount is 51,000. This is the way by which we are presenting the subscription and all the adjustment in income and expenditure account. I think we will understand how to present these all adjustment. In next video we are going to solve directly full question for the income and expenditure account. Okay.